Hi guys, welcome again. So first of all, today topic is how to read English book. Yeah, you have heard me right. And this topic suggested me my one viewer. They suggested me. They asked me please make video on this topic. And I am learner. I don't know which types of book I should read and how to read. That is why first of all I want thank you for suggesting me this beautiful topic, and this is the most topic for every learners. So now again thank you, and this is not my only journey, this journey as well you. So if you have any question, if you have any suggestion, if you have any topic to relate to make videos, so please give me. Okay, whenever you want, whenever you thought, just give me, just suggest me, and I will try to make video on that topic. Okay, so now without any further ado, just start the topic is how to read book. So this is the very beautiful topic, and many viewers, many learners, they think about how to start learning, how to start reading book. So this is the part of learning, this is the part of our journey. So you have any book? If you have any book, just start reading. Okay, and I'm sure you have interesting book. This is the good way to learn, this is the good way to understand and read books, because interesting book, it is not only interesting, it's make our journey funny, it's make our journey beautiful, it's make our journey interesting. That is why I consider everyday interesting book, it is very helping to learn, it is very helping to improve their words, improve their memory power and everything. So if you don't have, go and buy from the market and start reading. And how to read? Every day, every single day, you have to read only one topic, only one paragraph. Okay, if you think I should read 2 page, 3 page, 5 page and hold the book, you can read. So that is not possible, you will understand every meaning, every word. So that is why just read one paragraph every day and start understanding that words. Okay, that words if you understand, then that will help you to build your memory, and that's why just read a small paragraph, but their knowledge, it's a big, you know. Every day if you try to do small work, small things, and read only small paragraph, then one day that will make a big difference. That's why. Okay, so I hope you understand. And many learners, because many people, they are just thinking I should cover my whole book in one day, in 2 day, even in one week. Okay, if your memory power is strong, so this is the good. But if you are not an English medium student, you have just come here and start reading, so that will not help you to understand whole the book, whole the paragraph. So go slow. Okay, you should go slowly, and one day you will feel the big difference. That will make a powerful environment, that will make a powerful journey. Okay, so that is why. And the another thing is, only which topic you want to read, only that topic you should select every day. If you want to read any emotional story, if you want to read sad story, if you want to read novel and any critical types of situational things, just by according you have to choose and start reading. If you don't know about words, about phrases, just go Google and search them perfect meanings. This is the correct way. And second thing is, when you try to read and when you sit for reading, just keep one pencil, one marker, color, pen, anything which you have, just keep in your hand, and by like and by touching your copy, your book, you should try to read. And when you come across new words, just underline. Yeah, just underline. Why I say with you underline? Because when you next time, when you come to the read that book, that will remember that words, that meanings. That is why I suggesting you. Okay, so this is the perfect way. And while reading, maybe you come across many new words which meanings you don't know and some meanings you know. So this is the helping to understand, this is the helping to memorize that words. Okay, so this is the major things. And one thing genuinely I feel for, especially for myself, when I was a learner, still I am learner, so when I was started this journey, I thinking how to read book, because I'm a student, and I am Hindi medium. I am a Hindi medium student. So that is very difficult. That is a very difficult point at that time when I started my journey, when I started to speak. So I tried this way. I tried this way. I keep any marker in my hand, and by touching the book, I was reading that book. Okay, and when I came across any new words, I just uh, draw the line, okay, in below, and then I started to read. So these things you have to do in your initiative, and I hope you understand. So please try it, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. We'll meet till the next video. Have a nice day. Till then, take care. Bye bye.